Hi everyone, it's Jaclyn here from the Vegan Wannabe. Today I'll be showing you what I eat when I'm sick. If I'm not feeling well, I still want to give my body what it needs, but keep it simple at the same time. I try to drink lots of liquids, especially warm ones, and get lots of rest. As soon as I start to feel a cold come on, I often go for warm lemon water instead of something with caffeine in it. This helps to relieve congestion and soothe the sore throat, while also helping to boost my immune system. I drink as much warm water as I can throughout the day. The first soup I'm making is miso soup, and I'm starting by slicing up daikon radish, green onion, and tofu. You can omit the daikon if you don't have that on hand, but I love daikon in my soup because it reminds me of the miso soup at a restaurant that I love, so I will go that extra step. Instead of using traditional dashi broth, I'm just using veggie broth. Add broth and daikon to a pot, cover and bring to a boil. Cook for about 30 minutes or until the daikon is translucent and tender. You can check the daikon with a taste test every now and then. Turn the heat down, add in miso paste and a splash of soy sauce, and that's it. Miso soup only requires a few ingredients and you can make it even simpler than I do. It's delicious and comforting and all the good things. This here is my favorite fresh juice to get when I'm sick. It's from a cafe near my house called First Watch, and this is their morning meditation juice. It's got orange, lemon, turmeric, ginger, and beet juice. This stuff is like a magical elixir. It gives my body and immune system a boost that I can feel, and I mean the color alone makes me feel 10 times better. Next up is a hearty vegetable rice soup. When I'm sick, I don't want to do too much work in the kitchen, so the only things I'm chopping and mincing here are half an onion and a clove of garlic. Other than that, everything else is canned or frozen. I'm sauteing the onions and garlic and seasoning with salt, pepper, and thyme. After sauteing the onions, I'm adding a quart of vegetable broth, a can of garbanzo beans, and a can of diced tomatoes to the pot. I let that simmer, then added some leftover rice I had in the fridge, along with frozen mixed veggies. Let the rice cook and plump up a little, add fresh lemon juice, and it's all done. I like to make one huge pot of this so that I'm set for the day and don't need to worry about cooking more food. This soup is great because you're giving your body vegetables, protein from the beans, and still keeping yourself full with the rice, all in a yummy broth. The best part is that you're using canned and frozen veggies, which means less work for you. That's it for this video. If you're watching this right now because you are sick, I hope that you feel better soon and that maybe this video could help. Stay hydrated, get some sleep, and take care of yourself. And that goes for all of you, whether or not you are sick. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, I love you all, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!